So apparently we got our maps and we realized that to get all the way out and see the bison, you actually ride your bikes to Arkansas. So we're gonna ride our bikes to a whole different state today.
Woohoo!
Let's go. All right, leaving Texas.
Dogs are barking. Out of here.
Hey.
Feels right.
Yeah. What? I bet everybody gets related.
Right.
The chaos
Exactly.
when you're moving.
Yes. Okay. So Steven's taking the dogs in the truck today. I am taking the kids back in my car. You ready to go? Okay, so mom and the kids, we are in the car.
Hi.
Ready to travel, right guys?
Yep.
Where are we going today? Do you remember what state?
No.
Oklahoma. Right? So we just got some gas. We've got the Wi-Fi all hooked up for my spoiled little kiddos. Oh, but we're going to see our new friends when we get there.
Old friends.
Yeah, exactly. All right, you ready to roll?
Yep.
Say deuces, Texas. So we're at Buc-ee's on our first stop, journey to Branson, Missouri. And the best part about a Buc-ee's is they have huge gas stations for RVs.
Perfect
And we're
for
literally next to each other. I have one pump going in my Explorer, one pump going into Steven's truck, and another one filling up the generator tank.
Yeah,
So that
good
we're
tip.
good for, so that we're ready for Harvest Host tonight.
Good tip for if you're traveling in Texas, go to Buc-ee's. If you have a toy hauler, you can fill the truck and you can fill your generator and auxiliary tank at the same pump.
All at once.
Do both of them. One-stop shop. They don't have DEF though, so that's kind of what they have it inside, but not at the pump. So it's kind of windy, so hopefully this audio isn't too bad.
It's pretty bad.
Oh gosh, I'm cold.
right.
So let's go shopping.
Yep. Let's go. So we are here in Branson, Missouri at the Table Rock State Park.
Yes. It's
And
really nice.
yeah, we are having a week-long trip with some of our camping friends from Ohio. So we're in between nursing contracts from San Antonio. Now we're headed to Washington. So we have a week-long trip here in Branson, and today we are going to Dogwood Canyon Nature Park. I
Yes.
believe.
It has like waterfalls, and it's supposed to be really scenic and really pretty. So we're taking our bikes, and we're going to ride bikes through there. I guess they have really nice paved trails. There's like a 6-mile trail, I guess, that does goes past the waterfall and stuff, which is about where all of the kids are gonna like max out with their tiredness, and about where the teenagers are gonna lose interest. So it's a pretty good range that I think will make everybody happy with this group we have.
And they're only open 9 to 5, so it's about noon now. So
Yeah, so we're trying to go maximize our time, and then we're coming back and having chili dinner.
yep, so come along.
Something that might be worth noting, so I'm going to say it, is Camden has a loose tooth right now. And he's had this loose tooth for like ever. And tonight is the day before Easter, today is. And so we're trying to get him to get this tooth out so we can see if the Tooth Fairy and the Easter Bunny will come on the same night. So we're going to have to see if this tooth comes out today. Camden is eating an apple to try to help his tooth come out. Apparently he can literally feel the bottom end of his tooth, like from the root.
I can feel the whole bottom of the tooth.
And why he won't just grab hold of it and yank it out is absolutely beyond me.
All your might? I don't think so. I think it would come out pretty easy.
At this
But
point.
we need to get a basket.
Well, you will.
The Easter Bunny's probably
Easter Bunny's coming for sure. Maybe
we packed our baskets we normally use away, huh? When
Yeah.
we moved into our RV.
I'm sure the Easter Bunny can be accommodating for unique scenarios such as ours.
I'm sure we're not the first family he's done this with, and we won't be the last.
For sure. All right, so Tooth Saga. Let's see what happens.
Brought our bikes, but they also have rentals here if you didn't bring your bikes. Just so you know, tip. No?
Stay right here, though. There's cars around, so stay right here, okay?
Hey, Finley. You ready to ride some bikes?
Yeah.
How's that tooth coming?
You hope what?
Let's see it.
Oh, you'll be all right.
Oh my gosh, get it out of there.
I can't.
Camden?
Fill out waivers for everybody before we can ride our bikes.
Make the bike official.
What does that mean?
It's allowed in the park. There you go. Matches too.
Make Amelia official,
There you go,
too.
Amelia. You want it right there? Right in the middle. There you go.
All right,
Officially allowed in.
let's get moving, shall we? There's a nature
Cool.
center too. Once you come up to the treehouse, you can like traverse the crossing to this main building. Has a nature center. Guys, the jellybean. Look at that hand compared to the bird. That's crazy.
Wild egg hunt.
And look, there's a dime. So we know how big a dime is, right? It's the smallest. It's the smallest coin, and how small it is compared to the egg.
It's a jelly bean.
Tiny.
So apparently we got our maps and we realized that to get all the way out and see the bison, you actually ride your bikes to Arkansas. So we're gonna ride our bikes to a whole different state today.
Woohoo!
Let's go. We
Okay.
went all the way to Arkansas
Yep.
just to get to the end and realize we're not allowed back here to go to the bison loop.
We made it to the end of the trail. There are signs with bison all over them. On the way here,
Well, you have to take the tram out because
yep,
it's wild.
apparently you have to take the tram, not your bike. So
We didn't know
just a
that.
tip, you probably won't see bison if you ride your bikes.
No, you will not see bison. if
we
you
did
ride
not
your
see
bikes.
them. Unless you see them walk by back there.
I don't think
You're not
that's
supposed to go back that way, so. No bison, but the trail is very cool. Lots of waterfalls, as you can see.
Very pretty. A lot of scenic places to stop and things to see and explore. So it sounds like now, because of the disappointment of the bison, we will be having a family meeting.
Which,
and,
Can I take my
some of you know what that means. Means ice cream.
yeah, just barely though.
So,
Roll your pants up.
Let's head
please.
back.
Because that'll be only 100 in a way.
Okay, Amelia, did we do them all?
Yeah, we did.
Did it?
Okay. So where do we have to go back now?
Oh, I think the place when we got
Okay, let's go back over then.
ostrich, Italian, I didn't write.
That's a big word, but calcium.
Wait.
All right, how many do we have here? 5? Did you know you didn't do one? All right. Grab your name.
I'll take.
Thanks
What is
for
it?
playing. You can either keep
What's
your
in it?
seat or you can leave it here.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
candy.
I got nerves.
Worth it.
What do you say? What do you say?
Thank you. I got
What'd you get, bud?
Let's trade this one.
Cameron, what'd you get?
You can have this one. Do you want to trade for the nerves? Sticker. There you go.
All right, so quick wrap up. We had biked all the way out as far as we could, right?
Yep.
And it was about a 4-mile bike ride to get out.
Going to the Arkansas, into Arkansas.
Into
For
Arkansas.
the last part of it.
Yes. But on bike or walking, you cannot see bikes in. So if you do the tram ride, it goes out farther. Which
Yeah, they have a guided tour. They have a guided tour that'll take you out and tell you all about everything, I'm sure. I don't know. We just saw them as we were riding, but
So
pretty cool
overall,
though.
cool place. We're happy we came. Now time to get some ice
Lots of cool
cream.
little waterfalls.
Yes.
What flavor did you get?
Butter crunch.
Any guesses what I got?
I heard what you got, but I would have guessed it correctly also. Chocolate chip cookie dough.
Of course, obviously.
Every time.
Delicious.
Might be early for this, but I don't want to miss it. Oh no! I lost the map.
Ting ting, mama with a bee. Ting ting, mama with a
Jackie is the best YouTuber ever.
It's a lot of butt.
Yeah, it is.